How to book online appointment on PSA. So, open ang Google, pumunta sa search bar, at i-type ang appointment.psa.gov.ph. Okay, ayan. Hintayin lang ang verification. Okay, ayan. So, click nyo lang yung logo na yan, Civil Registration Service, and pumunta sa pinakababa, Book Appointment. So, ayan, privacy notice. Basahin lang yan. Pagkatapos, pumunta sa baba at i-click ang I agree. Next. Ayan, what's the purpose of your appointment? So, select purpose. Get copies of civil registry kasi birth certificate at sinumar yung kukunin natin. So, choose get copy. Next. Alright, choose a region where you want to get the document. So, sa akin is Caraga. Then, choose an outlet. Pinakamalapit na outlet is Butuan City. Ayan. So, ayan, confirm nyo lang yung map. And then, pumunta sa pinakababa. Okay, click next. Ayan, so, if you are requesting for someone else's certificates, use your own personal details in this form. You'll be able to indicate their names on the next page. So, yung name mo yung ilagay in this part. First name, middle name, and last name. And then yung email mo. And then yung mobile number. Alright, next. Ayan, so hintayin yung code na isi-send ni PSA via email or text message. Okay, ayan, click verify. So, ayan, certificate type. So, pumili kung anong dokumento yung kukunin mo. Sa akin is Sinumar. So, pipiliin ko yung Sinumar. And then, relationship. Kung kaninong document yung kukunin mo. If authorized representative ka, kunin mo yung, click mo yung authorized representative. So, sa akin is self, since sariling dokumento ko yung kukunin ko. So, ayan, automatic mag-fill out na yung information. Click next. So, ayan. Please select your preferred date and time of appointment. So, pumili ng pizza at oras. So, sa akin is 9:30. Ayan. Pumunta sa baba, pinakababa, and then click next. Ayan. So, appointment details, check nyo lang yan. Pag okay na, confirm. Ayan. So, check nyo lang yan. Pag okay na, next. So, ayan na. Civil Registration Service Appointment Slip. So, screenshot nyo lang yan kasi yan yung ipapakita nyo doon sa guard if pumunta na kayo sa PSA outlet. Yun lamang po at sana nakatulong.